Hi, this is Vizzy Pro Trade channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to change your two-factor authentication method on Snapchat account. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Snapchat allows user to turn on two-factor authentication to add extra security to their account. When this feature is turned on, user will need to enter a code they received through a text message or one generated by authentication application such as Google Authenticator whenever they log in into their Snapchat account. So what if you want to change your uh, authenticator code on your Snapchat? Is very simple. First of all, first you have to open our Snapchat. Now you can go to setting by tap on the up right corner here, like your account on there. Now you can go to my account. After that, you can see there is an option two-factor authentication. You can just select on that. So I have set the two-factor authentication is by SMS verification, and now I want to change it to recovery code. After that, select on generate. Don't forget to enter your password. Continue. So now you have generate your recovery code. Don't forget to write it down, or you can just screenshot. So when you need to recover your account, you can enter that code. Now if you want to change to authentication app, you can just select on this. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change your two-factor authentication on your Snapchat account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.